Good day. Here at City 8, a three-day international workshop on the ASEAN Convention on Counterterrorism, or ACCCT, is now officially underway. And so this event brings together Timor-Leste's key security institutions, ASEAN officials, and international partners. The workshop is supported by JICA, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, under the MINEX ASEAN project, highlighting Japan's continued commitment to strengthening regional security cooperation.
Japan has been engaged in counterterrorism cooperation with ASEAN for some time. Since the ASEAN-Japan Joint Declaration for Cooperation to Combat International Terrorism in 2004, Japan and ASEAN have institutionalized regular dialogues through mechanisms such as the ASEAN Ministerial Meeting on Transnational Crime, or often referred to as AMMTC plus Japan.
And so this workshop is especially important as Timor-Leste is now an official member for ASEAN and is actively participating in the region's security and counterterrorism mechanisms. And so over the next 3 days, representatives will review ASEAN's collective commitments under the ACCCT, focusing on legal frameworks, operational coordination, information sharing, and preventive measures against terrorism and violent extremism.
Strengthening legal and security cooperation in the region, addressing terrorism financing and support networks, protecting citizens and human rights, maintaining regional stability and security, and enhancing national and regional preparedness. It is a vivid reminder that counterterrorism issues recognize no borders, and that regional cooperation is not a choice, but a necessity. This agreement remains a landmark commitment in our collective journey toward sustainable and responsible environmental governance.
The session will help strengthen Timor-Leste's national capacity while ensuring that the country fully aligns with ASEAN security standards, responsibilities, and cooperative strategies. Now, experts from ASEAN bodies and security agencies will also lead discussions on cross-border collaboration, as well as intelligence cooperation and community-based approaches to strengthen resilience across the region.
As 11th member of ASEAN, it obviously carries some responsibility, and it's a huge responsibility at this point of time, as we are just about, I think about slightly over a month ago, or close to 2 months now, enjoying being as a full member of ASEAN. We also understand this membership carries a lot of responsibility. Among these responsibilities is the obligation to implement ASEAN legal instruments. We receive quite a huge number of the instruments that we need to, we finalize the domestic process, but then the implementation is the most important phase.
The workshop runs from Tuesday, the 9th of December, until Thursday, December 11th. From City 8, Digna Serang, Argentina Cardozo, TATOLI.